Hi, Jason. Ah, you got it! Okay, let's go farther. Come on, this way. Jesus. You should crawl, it's a lot easier. Instead of army crawling. Let's see if he can turn. Oh, yep, he can turn. This is hilarious. Jason, you're so silly. I've never seen you do this before. What you got there, buddy? Let's see it from a different angle. You're just gonna drag your body around, aren't you? Hopefully you'll be able to walk. Did you get what you want? Call to mama.
Yellow, red.
What you got? Yay!